Hello children, this is Prasanna. In this video, I am going to discuss test of divisibility or rules of divisibility. Okay. Now these rules will help us to determine whether a number is divisible by another number without actually carrying out the division process. In this video, I am going to discuss the divisibility rules of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First one, we are going to discuss divisibility by 2. Divisibility rule by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if its ones place have 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Yeah, very easy. A number is divisible by 2 if its ones place have 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. What are the 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8? They are even numbers, right? So I can say a number is divisible by 2 if its ones place have even number. Example 7, 6, 4, 8, 9, 2. Okay? So this is very big number. We can say that 7,64,892. Is this number is divisible by 2 or not? Just by seeing the units digit, we can say units digit or ones digit. By seeing this units digit, we can say whether that number is divisible by 2 or not without doing actual division. Right? So what is the units digit here? 2. What is 2 here? Is this even or not? Yes, even number. So I can say blindly that 7,64,892 is divisible by 2 because the ones digit is even. Is that clear? Now, for example, if I take another number, is this number divisible by 2? What is the ones digit here? 5. Is 5 is an even number, children? No, 5 is what number? Odd number. So I can say this number 9,37,655 is not divisible by 2 because the ones digit is odd number. Right? Now, if I take another number, is this number divisible by 2, children? Yes. What is the ones digit here? 0. 0 is an even number. So we can say that this number is divisible by 2. So if the ones digit is having 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, we can say that number is divisible by 2. Next, divisibility by 3. How to check whether a number is divisible by 3 or not? In this process, we have to do sum of the digits. You know what is sum, children? Sum is nothing but addition. So, what is the definition of this? A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, or we can say a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is a multiples of 3. Right? For example, so this is a very big number, right? 2,87,567. How to check whether this number is divisible by 3 or not without doing actual division? Just we have to add these digits. Sum means what here? Sum is nothing but addition. So sum of the digits 2 plus 8 plus 7 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. You have to add. 2 plus 8 how much? 10. 10 plus 7 17. 17 plus 5 22. 22 plus 6 28. 28 plus 7 is how much? 35. Now 35. Here 35 is not divisible by 3, or 35 is a not multiple of 3. This 35 is not divisible by 3, right? Therefore, I can say that 2,87,567 is not divisible by 3, right? If I take one more example, children, like 2,1,4,0,3,5. Okay. Now do sum of the digits. 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 0 plus 3 plus 5. Okay, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 0 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 5 15. Now is 15 is divisible by 3 children? Yes, 15 is divisible by 3. Therefore I can say that 214,035 is divisible by 3. So if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then we can say that number is divisible by 3. If the sum of the digits is not divisible by 3, then we can say that particular number is not divisible by 3. Next, divisibility by 4. How to check whether the given number is divisible by 4 or not? A number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits means here ones place and tens place, okay? Last two digits is 0 0 or divisible by 4. So for divisibility by 4, you have to check the last two digits children. Example 7 6 8 4 9 3 6. Okay. Now if you see, what are the last two digits here? Last two digits are nothing but 36. We should check whether this number, the last two digits, is divisible by 4 or not. So is 36 is divisible by 4? Yes, 4 9s are 36. So 36 is divisible by 4, right? Therefore we can say blindly that 7 6 8 4 9 3 6 is divisible by 4. When you divide this number with 4, you get a remainder as 0. You can check children, right? Now another example. 9 7 6 5 4 84. Okay, and what are the last two digits here? Last two digits are nothing but here 84. Now check whether 84 is divisible by 4 or not. Yes, you can do division. 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4. Yes, it is divisible. You are getting remainder as 0, then I can say that 84 is divisible by 4. Therefore here 84 is divisible by 4. Therefore 9 7 6 5 4 8 4 is divisible by 4, right? Now if I see another example children. What are the last two digits here? 0 0. If the last two digits are 0 0, means we can say that it is divisible by 4. The last tens digit and ones digit are 0, then we can say that number is divisible by 4, right? One more example if I take. What are the last two digits here? 49. Is 49 divisible by 4 children? When you divide, how much you will get? 4 1s are 4, 9, 4 2s are 8. So 1 is the remainder here. But if the remainder you get other than 0, then that number is not divisible by 4. So here 49 is not divisible by 4, right? Therefore I can say 6 7 5 4 9 is also not divisible by 4. Next, divisibility by 5. How to check whether a number is divisible by 5 or not? By seeing its ones digit children. If the ones digit is 0 or 5, then we can say that number is divisible by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if its ones place have 0 or 5. If the ones place is 0 or 5, we can say that number is divisible by 5. Example. What is the ones place here? 0. Then we can say that number is divisible by 5. Suppose another number if I take. Now what is this? What is the ones place here? 2. It is not 0, it is not 5. So it is 2 even number. So this is not divisible by 5. If the ones digit is 0 or 5, then we can say that number is divisible by 5. One more example, if I take, what is the last digit? 5. Ones digit is 5. Then I can say this number is divisible by 5. Next one, divisibility by 6. How to check whether a number is divisible by 6? A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. It should satisfy both divisibility by 2 and 3. Then we can say that number is divisible by 6. Example, when I take okay, 2, 4, 7, 6, 5, 4. Now we have to check for the divisibility by 2 and divisibility by 3. It should satisfy both the rules. Then we can say that number is divisible by 6. Coming to divisibility by 2, what is divisibility by 2? If the last one's digit is even, then we can say that number is divisible by 2. What is the last digit here? 4. 4 is even number. So, yes, it is divisible by 2 because its one's digit is even. So it is satisfying divisibility by 2. Now we should check for divisibility by 3, children. What is divisibility by 3? A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Now first we need to find here sum of the digits. Sum means what? Addition. What are the numbers here? 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4. When you add, how much you are going to get? 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 7, 13, 13 plus 6, 19, 19 plus 5, 24, 24 plus 4, 28. Now is 28 is divisible by 3? No. 28 is not a multiple of 3. 28 is not divisible by 3. So it is not satisfying, right? Here it should satisfy both divisibility by 2 and divisibility by 3. But here it is satisfying only divisibility by 2. Therefore, finally, 2, 4, 7, 6, 5, 4 is not divisible by 6. Coming to next example, 1, 3, 4, 8, 2, okay. We'll first check whether it is divisible by 2 or not. What is the ones digit here, children? 2. 2 is what even number? If it is the ones digit is having 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0, then I can say the number is divisible by 2. So here 2 is there. It is divisible by 2 because its ones digit is even. So I am keeping tick here. It is possible. And coming to divisibility by 3, what is divisibility by 3? A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Now here we will find the sum of the digits. 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 8 plus 2. 1 plus 3 how much? 4. 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 8 16. 16 plus 2 18. Here 18 you got. Is 18 is divisible by 3? Yes. 3. How many times it will go? 3 6 18. Okay. 18 is divisible by 3. So it is satisfying both divisibility by 2 and divisibility by 3. So therefore final conclusion is 1 3 4 8 2 is divisible by 6. So finally a number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Divisibility by 9. How to check whether a given number is divisible by 9 or not? Same like 3 children, a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3 or multiple of 3. Similarly, a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. Coming to definition, a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. Sum means what here? Addition. If I take example, right? How to find whether this number is divisible by 9 or not? You have to go for sum of the digits. Sum means addition. 3 plus 6 plus 4 plus 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 2. When you add all these, 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 1, 14, 14 plus 5, 19, 19 plus 1, 20, 20 plus 2, 22. Now here, 22 is a multiple of 9. Is 22 is divisible by 9? No, 22 is not divisible by 9. You will not get a remainder as 0 when you divide 22 by 9. So therefore, 3, 6, 4, 1, 5, 1, 2 is not divisible by 9. Example, one more I am going to take. 1, 4, 9, 7, 2, 6, 3, 4. Okay. Now find the sum of the digits. 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 7 plus 2 plus 6 plus 3 plus 4. So 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 9, 14. 14 plus 7, 21. 21 plus 2, 23. 23 plus 6, 29. 29 plus 3, 32. 32 plus 4, 36. Is 36 is divisible by 9? Yes. 9 4s are 36. So 36 is divisible by 9. Therefore, I can say 1, 4, 9, 7, 2, 6, 3, 4 is divisible by 9. Next, divisibility by 10. It's very easy, children. A number is divisible by 10 if its ones digit is 0. That's it. A number is divisible by 10 if its ones digit is 0. The last ones digit is 0, then we can say that number is divisible by 10. If you observe, 2 into 10, 20, 5 into 10, 50, means the last digit is 0. Example, this is the number. Is this number divisible by 10? Yes. By seeing the ones digit, what is the ones digit here? 0. I can say blindly that this number is divisible by 10. If I take another example, is this number divisible by 10, children? What is the ones digit here? It is not 0. Then I can say that this number is not divisible by 10. When it is divisible by 10, if the last ones digit is 0, then I can say that whole number is divisible by 10.